are back at the airport and बहुत लंबी जर्नी है हमारी, ऑलमोस्ट 24 आवर्स, इनफैक्ट मोर देन 24 आवर्स, बट हम निकल चुके हैं एंड दिस इज अ लॉन्ग अवेटेड वेकेशन दैट वी आर टेकिंग. वी आर फ्लाइंग फ्रॉम टोरंटो टू वैंकूवर, फिर वैंकूवर से एक और फ्लाइट है, फिर उसके बाद भी एक और फ्लाइट है. So we have to change 3 flights before we reach our actual destination. So सुबह सुबह थोड़ी सी chaos हो गई थी because we had a flight at 7:30 p.m. which got postponed. वो डिले हो गई थी ऑलमोस्ट 1 घंटे से, तो हमारी कनेक्टिंग फ्लाइट जो वैंकूवर से है दैट वाज गेटिंग अफेक्टेड. फिर हमने फटाफट कॉल किया कॉल सेंटर पे एंड देन दे काइंड ऑफ ऑफर्ड कि हम आपकी फ़्लाइट पहली वाली दे सकते हैं, प्रीपोन कर सकते हैं. You can take an earlier flight and reach Vancouver on time. And we decided why not. So सुबह सुबह थोड़ा सा chaos हो गया, फटाफट पैकिंग की, घर रैप अप किया and then we came to the airport. Since इतनी जल्दी जल्दी में हमने ज़्यादा कुछ खाया नहीं, so time to eat something at the airport and we are planning to take bagel from Starbucks. Or they have mini donuts. We'll pick up something from the Starbucks because yeah, we are very hungry. बहुत कस के भूख लगी है सबको.
Oh yes.
मेरी खिचड़ी घर की रह गई,
किसी ने गई.
किसी ने नहीं खाई. मैंने खिचड़ी की तैयारी की थी कि ट्रैवल से पहले अच्छी सी खिचड़ी खा के देन वी विल गो. We have ordered the jalapeno chicken pockets and spicy falafel and with the chawa chip. Okay, so पेट पूजा done. अब चलते हैं गेट पे. And look who we have here with us. छोटी छोटी शॉपिंग डन.
Yay.
छोटी छोटी शॉपिंग. I lost my travel pillow, so I had to pick one.
You did not lose it. You're not
I
able to
don't
find it.
remember last time मैंने
So
इसे
you
कहाँ
have
रखा
bought
था.
one so that next.
And then हमारा travel काफी लंबा होने वाला है, तो we definitely need a travel pillow, right?
Yeah, but I don't have one.
Next,
Because
maybe
I'm poor
next
person.
24 hours in flight. Oh my God. सात समंदर
So I
पार
will be
जा रहे हैं.
upgraded to business class. You know.
You will be upgraded to
I am manifesting for it.
manifest.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yay, we are finally going holiday. We are in Vancouver, so we just finished the first leg of our travel. और टोरंटो से वैंकूवर आ गए. The flight was very comfortable. Air Canada has really upgraded at least their flights. In-house entertainment was also very nice. और उसके साथ they had the Bluetooth connectivity, so you can connect it with your device, and you really don't have to rely on their earphones, which was really nice. और it was a domestic flight. बहुत ही अच्छा था. So we crossed the Winnipeg, we crossed Alberta, and also we crossed the Rocky Mountains. The scene was, I mean, amazing. I really would love to come and visit Vancouver someday. But yes, आज का हमारा halt Vancouver नहीं है. We have a connecting flight. So our next flight is in next 5 hours. हमारे पास 5 घंटे हैं. We don't have to do much. So we are just looking for the lounge. कि lounge मिल जाए, हम वहाँ पे थोड़ा time pass कर लें because we have 5 hours. ये तो भी बहुत छोटा सा लेग था. अभी बड़ा वाला लेग बाकी है. Our gate is D58. अब हम आ चुके हैं इंटरनेशनल टर्मिनल पे. So we are finally going. I think this is much awaited trip since last 10 years, I guess, or even more than that. Oh, finally, बस भगवान जी टाइम से अच्छे से पहुंच जाएं. Because we have a very long flight अभी यहाँ से. Here we are at the airport lounge. बहुत भूख लगी है क्योंकि यहाँ पर वैंकूवर लोकल टाइम इज 7 PM बट हमारा टोरंटो लोकल टाइम इज 10 PM. तो हमें लगी है कस के भूख. This is the lounge. We have a noodle bar. Yeah. Let's start with the orange juice. Cheese ravioli with pesto sauce. Then we have some vegetables and then chipotle mango chicken. And we also have some soup here. So this is how my plate looks like. I have some raviolis with pesto sauce, some chicken, some vegetables, tortillas. Let's dig in. Let me start with this. The ravioli, how it tastes. Very nice. Not bad. Chicken is also good. How's the food, Kanika?
It's really good. I love the ravioli.
Yeah, it's a must try. Oh my gosh. This is how Vivek's plates look like. इसलिए wrap भी लिया है. Maybe I'll try that wrap later. I think time to wash my face, do some skincare, and then next flight की तैयारी करते हैं. Okay, so time to do some quick airport skincare. I'm going to start off by cleansing my face with Kale and Green Tea Superfood Cleanser by You to the People. This is really refreshing and it also comes in very compact packaging for travel. Next, I'm going to be using this very gentle moisturizer by again You to the People. I will link these products in the description box. So what you see here, they are not the dark circles. Basically, my kajal जो smudge हो चुका है. Yeah. Next in line is this sunscreen stick, which is a must. SPF is a must when you're traveling on flight because you don't realize, but आपकी skin सबसे ज़्यादा affect होती है when you are in flight. तो UV sunscreen is a must. This is my lip gloss. And I'm done. अब बैटरी पूरी डाउन हो रही है बिकॉज इट्स 12:30 टोरंटो टाइम और भयंकर नींद के झोंके आ रहे हैं. बट देन वी हैव अनदर 1.5 hours to go before we board the next flight. And the next flight is for 15 hours, so we have enough time to sleep. I'm sure मैं तो पूरे टाइम सोने वाली हूँ.
No, yeah, that's it.
This is the shower area and they need your boarding pass to allow you to open the shower area. And this is what they give you along with the to take bath here. You have towels, you have a dryer, hair dryer, and this छोटा सा cute सा bag. So yes, you have a laundry bag as well, but definitely we don't need it. So and before we board our next flight, which is for next 15 hours, to get started.
I'll be right back.
1 hour later.
Launch done. Now on our way to board the next flight, which is for 15 hours. What do you have to say for 15-hour flight?
We gotta sleep only.
आई नो हमें तो ऑलरेडी नींद के झोंके आ रहे हैं. होपफुली फ्लाइट में अच्छी नींद आ जाए. कानिका ने तो मशाल ले लिया है, अब वो तो चैन से सोने वाली है. लेट्स सी हमारा क्या होता है. वेटिंग टू बोर्ड गेट नंबर 58 D58 for a 15-hour long flight. Boarding the flight now. Everything done. This is the second last leg of our journey. Okay, let's go. All set, boarded. It's time for our first meal and we had to pre-order this one. We chose the Hindu meal all throughout our trip. So we're almost halfway and now I'm going to be using the Summer Friday Jet Lag Pack. Flight में skin बहुत dry हो जाती है, so this soothing mist, hydration serum and the mask plays a very important role. और मैंने जो sunscreen यूज़ किया था वो reapply करना है because of course it's a sunscreen and you need SPF. And my lip balm. And this is morning time and another Hindu meal, and this time it was poha since it was a breakfast. Are at the domestic connection. The second leg of our travel is done. We reached Brisbane and now we have a connecting flight to another city.
Which is
Stay tuned. We're boarding for the domestic transfer. So you have these areas in the buses.
And we have reached.
So we are at the Brisbane domestic airport. अभी शुरू होने वाली है हमारी लास्ट लेग ऑफ द ट्रैवल और फिर हम पहुंच जाएंगे अपनी फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन पे. सो बोर्डिंग वाज ऑलरेडी डन एट टोरंटो और यहाँ पे आके हमारी वर्जिन ऑस्ट्रेलिया है फ्लाइट, तो बोर्डिंग पास चेंज हो चुके हैं. हमें सामान पिक करना था, बैगेज कलेक्ट करके हमने वापस से ड्रॉप कर दिया एंड नाउ वी हैव टू जस्ट गो स्ट्रेट अवे एंड डू अ सिक्योरिटी चेक. लेट्स गो. Final 2.5 hours journey left.
which was like just 5 minutes.
I know, ये लास्ट में आते आते ना टाइम नहीं निकलता. अब लग रहा है कि बस फटाफट पहुंच जाओ. At Brisbane Airport, waiting for our next flight. और we are doing a little paid puja before we board the next flight. हमारी बेटी ने ऑलरेडी मैकडोनल्ड उठा लिया है and but Vivek and I we are just want to have a coffee. Out picking up the coffee for us.
तनिका दे दे बेटा थोड़ा पापा
So
को.
try करते हैं Australian coffee.
कैसा?
Australia is famous for their coffee.
Really?
Yeah.
Canada's okay.
So let's try Australian coffee.
तनिका अपने
For the
मीडियम ले
very
ले,
first
स्मॉल
time.
क्यों नहीं?
First time Australia. How does it feel?
It feels new.
A new continent, exploring a new continent
Only
this time.
14 days.
Only 14 days. I know. कोई नहीं, दोबारा आएंगे for the next time.
3-4 दिन तक एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं.
Shut up. Welcome to Melbourne, Australia. So I'm visiting my brother here in Melbourne एंड मैं यहाँ पे ऑलमोस्ट उसके 10 साल शिफ्ट होने के बाद पहली बार आ रही हूँ. It was a much awaited trip we've been waiting for, and it is totally worth the 3 flights that we changed in last 24 hours. So we're just waiting for him to come and see us here. I think I'm gonna meet him after almost 1.5 years.
My God. गाइस रो क्यों रहे हम लोग?
खुशी क्या उसमें? इतने दिनों से इंतजार करते हैं। मैं क्या
आई एम द वीडियोग्राफर. एक बार फिर से. तो मुझे
लड़ाई करने आई है. लड़ाई.
गुड. कैसे करूं? ऐसे करूं? हाँ, तुम ही लो.
चल नहीं. He's coming. So this is the end of our travel vlog. After a long wait, we have finally reunited with our family, and it was honestly a moment I will never forget. There are going to be so many adventure, fun moments and experiences as we explore this new continent. There's a lot coming your way, so stay tuned. You know the drill. Like, share, subscribe. Until we meet next time. Bye.